Hi, in this video I'm going to calculate a new calculated column in LoggerPro. So let's say that I have the position of a ball with respect of the time, and I want to find the height. I need then to go to Data, New Calculated Column, and calculate what's the height. So here I'm going to write height. In the short name, I'm just going to write the symbol of the height, h, and the units. I measured them in meters. Now I have to write the expression of the height, so I'm going to use the maximum height from the sensor, which is 1.306, so 1 meter and 30 centimeter and 6 millimeters, minus the position. Now the position is given here as a column, so I can find it in the column section, position. And then I'm done. If I want to visualize the new column, I just should click here on the y-axis and find the height. In this way, I can visualize what the ball does. Now notice that these are the points. If I want to connect the points, I will have to double click on the graph wherever I want and click Connect Points. This will show my points connected. This is usually something that we don't want because of this. This is not nice to see when you cut and paste your graph into a document. Remember also to put a title. So I will double click again. I will unconnect the points because I don't like that. And I'm going to add a title. I can write, for example, mechanical energy of a basketball. And then done. This is your graph. I'll see you soon.